Hi everyone, welcome back to the screen channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use the Camtasia, whether you are creating YouTube videos, tutorials or even online courses. If you are new to video editing, don't worry, this is a beginner friendly, step-by-step and easy to follow. Let's jump in. So first of all, what is the Camtasia? This is a video editing software where there is a built-in screen recorder and a powerful there is a powerful video editor in there. You can record your computer screen with this software and you can edit your screen recording videos, and even you can if you record your mobile screen recording video in the mobile, then you can send it to your computer with your data cable or WhatsApp apps or any other ways. Then you can edit in your computer with this software. The next thing is how to get it, or how to download it, or installing, how you can get this software. So about in these topics I will talk later in the end of the video. So I'll go to the Camtasia software right now. Click in the Camtasia software. So this is a beginner level and intermediate level software for video editing, like the Filmora or CapCut computer version. This is not an advanced level software for video editing like the Premiere Pro. Okay, so this is the Camtasia 2021 version. You can use any kind of version. It's normally nearly similar, all the version. You can use any one. It doesn't matter. Later version or older version, there is a no matter. So I'll click the Camtasia software. So it's opening right now. So when you click the Camtasia, you can see this type of interface. This is the first page. So there is lots of things in there: get started, learning, help, new project, new from template, new recording, and open project. So you don't need to know all of this. You just need to know the new recording and the new project. This is the two things is important. Other things you don't need to know. If you want to record your screen recording, you can click in the new recording, then recording will be start. Or if you have the already video is recorded already, you want to edit, you can click in the new project. Or if you recorded in your mobile, then you want to edit in the computer, you can click the new project and then you can open your file and you can edit here. So first of all, I will show you how to record your screen. So click in the new recording, then the recording option will be, you can see here few options here. This is the first one is the screen, what size of the screen you want to record. Normally we record the full screen. So this is the full screen if you want to record, or if you want to record any part of the screen, you can record from here. You can select from here. Okay, the next option is the webcam. If you want to turn on your webcam, you can select from here. So, or if you are using the laptop, there is a built-in webcam in your laptop. You can turn it on from here. Next thing is the microphone. You can, if you use the external microphone to record, you can select from here. Or if you use the built-in microphone, which is already in your laptop, you can select from here. Next option is the system audio. You can, it's not very important. You can just keep it like that. You can turn it off. You can keep it like that. It doesn't matter. Then you can click the record. Then recording will be started. 3, 2, 1. Then now you can see the screen record is already started. So I'll record something right now. For example, I'll go to the Google, write something. For example, I'll open a website, then click something. For example, this one. So screen recording already um is going on. So if you want to stop your recording, you can click the stop, or if you want to pause it, you can click it here, pause. So I'll stop the recording right now, then click the stop button. Then the screen recording video will be automatically opened in the Camtasia software. So you can see this is the interface of the Camtasia. So you can see whatever I recorded, this is
Now
what
you can see the
you can see. So this is the interface of the Camtasia software, like the other editing software. For example, uh, all the editing software in the computer is almost same interface. Filmora, CapCut PC version, Adobe Premiere Pro interface is already nearly same. For example, in the bottom you can see the timeline. In the right, top right, there is a preview button, preview section. Left side, some sort of option. On top, there is a menu. There is another software which is called DaVinci Resolve, which is used for advanced level color grading. That software interface is a little bit different, but other software is interface is almost same. So on the bottom you can see there is a timeline here. On the top right side there is a preview window where you can see the preview, and if you want to there you can see there is a percentage. If you click the percentage plus minus, then it will be more or less, but this percentage is for when you edit the video, you can to see the preview, not when you save or export the video. That time this type of uh, things will not be changed. Just this is for just for editing right now. You can change it little bit. You can see properly then for that. Then you can see how to import a file. Okay, so to import a file, you can click here in the, you can see there is a plus icon, or if you, when you open the file, you can see import option is here normally. And or you can, if you don't find the import option, you can click the plus icon here, then you can import file, or you can go to the menu and then you can import from here also. Import option is also here from here. So you can import a file from here. Then click the import media. Then you can select any file, and then you can import. Then you can drag and drop it to the timeline. Okay, for example, I click here, import file. So I'll click this file. So you can see I have imported already. Then you can click and drag and drop it to the timeline. And there is no sequence in this software, because this is a beginner level and intermediate level software. The sequence is already built in there. There is another software, Adobe Premiere Pro. There is a sequence is there, because that is the advanced level software. So you can add a sequence automatically or manually. This software just automatically, you can click, drag and drop to the timeline. then you can edit your video. There is no sequence here. Then you can see in the left side some sort of options is here. First option is on top, you can see record. You can record your screen. Then media. This is not a very important option. The next one is library. You can see lots of options is here. The icons, if you want to use any kind of icons in your video, you can see lots of icons: building, business, education, social media. Lots of icon is here. You can for example, if you want to use the follow button, you can use this one. This type of icons you can drag and drop it to the timeline and you can edit. Then next thing is the intros. What is the intros? When you click any videos, YouTube videos, you can see there is some sort of animation in and the music and the channel name, channel logo displays in the first part of the video that calls intros. You can use any kind of intros from here for your YouTube videos. There are also lots of ways to make intros. For example, you can use the Canva or some other ways you can make the intros. So you can use any kind of intros from here. You can see lots of intros templates already made here already. You can customize these sort of things. You can write your channel name here and you can create YouTube intros for your YouTube video. Next thing is the lower thirds. What is lower thirds? Lower thirds is the is something like that in your video. On bottom of the video, you can if you want to write your name, your Facebook page, YouTube channel, you can Facebook group, you can write, you can to follow, subscribe, or join your group. You can write it here. You can see I clicked one of the lower thirds. You can see this type of design already made it here. You can just customize these sort of things. You can say click another one. You can see here you can write your Facebook page name, group name, your name, something like that. This is called lower thirds. Then next one is the motion background. This is not important. Next one is the music track. In this Camtasia editing software or any other software like CapCut, you can see lots of music track is there. But don't use the music tracks because there is some problem with the copyright issues. To make your YouTube videos, you can use the music, copyright-free music from the YouTube audio library, or if you want to make for video for Facebook, you can use the copyright-free Facebook audio music from the Facebook audio library. Don't use from this software or any other software. The next thing is the outros. Outros, what is the outro? Outro is the end of the video. You can see something like that. Thanks for watching, something like that. This is called outro. But one important thing is if you don't use the outro in the video, it's not good for get more views. Try to use the end screen or try to suggest some sort of other videos in your channel in the end of the video. Okay. The next thing is favorites. This is not important. The next one is annotation. Next thing is annotation. The annotation is the if you want to lots of annotation here. You can see first one is callouts. If you want to write something in your video, you want to show something, write something, you can click here. Then you can write something. For example, you can write something here. Your message or something like that, follow, subscribe, this type of things you can write here. Okay, the next thing is the arrow and lines. If you want to mark something or show something in the video, you can use this one. You can see there is the arrow button, arrow sign is here. The next thing is the shapes. If you want to use any kind of shapes in your video, you can use from here. Just click. You can see there is a shape here. You can make it bigger, or you can change the position. Lots of shapes is here. Next thing is blur and highlights. What is the blur and highlights? If you want to hide something, you can use this sort of options. For example, if you are log in any website or something like that, you are writing your username, password. You don't want to show the viewers. You can hide or blur something. Then you can use this option. There is a few option is here, few type of blurs. You can use any one of them to hide something, any part of the screen. The next one is the sketch motion. If you want to draw something on your screen, for example, you can use this one. Then you can see this option is appeared in the timeline. You can see that there is a track here. Number one track, you can see the timeline there. The number one track is the for video, number two track is the for audio, then the other effects in the other parts, other tracks. You can see all tracks, the effects is added already. Next thing is keyboard callouts to show, if you want to show the keyboard command, for example, Control A for select, Control C for copy, you can show it from here. Okay, the next thing is the transition. So transition, you know already what is the transition. Transition is the effects between two clips. So for example, I want to add a transition here, then click start option, click split option. Okay, then the video is divided into two parts. Video is divided into two parts. Then you can uh, click and a transition and drag and drop to the editing timeline. So this way you can add a transition
For example,
to
I
your
go to the
videos. Lots of transition here. Which one is good, you can uh, select and use, and you can see. Next thing is the behaviors. This is the text animation. You can see lots of text animation here, but one thing's this software is not a very advanced level software, so you can use the just a normal text editing. You can do it here, but if you want to advanced level text editing, you need the Adobe Premiere Pro, and if you want a more advanced level editing text editing, you need the Adobe After Effects. So this software you can do just the basic level text animation. So then you can click the more, then you can see the animation. This is a very important important option. For the screen recording software, it's a zoom in and zoom out, very important option. For example, I'm writing there, most of the viewers watch their video from the mobile, so if you don't zoom the video, they cannot see properly. So zoom in is the very important option. So for example, I want to zoom it here, so you can see the marker is here. Then you can see, click the scale here, and you can zoom it like that, for example here. Then click the play button.
For example, I'll open a
Then when you
website.
finish, you can click the select to fit. So video will the previous position. So you can see I play that again. Look at that,
Google
how to
write
zoom in. You can see
something.
the zoom it,
For
zoom
example,
in,
I'll open a
then
website.
this zoom out. So
Then
you can use from this option. Next option is the animation. It's not important. So zoom in, zoom out is the uh, very good option in the Camtasia. You can do the zoom in and zoom out in the Premiere Pro also, but you have to. It takes a long time to learn the Premiere Pro. But if you in the Camtasia, you can easily learn and don't need lots of time to learn the Camtasia. Next thing is the behaviors. Where they've already said cursor effect. If you want to uh, change your cursor effect of the mouse pointer, you can do it from here. Next thing is the video narration. What is the if you want to add your voiceover in your video, you can add it from here. Next thing is the audio effects. If you want to edit your audio in the Camtasia, you can do also here. So you can remove your noise. If you want to fade in, fade out, which is the sound will start slowly and the end of the video sound will down, volume will be down slowly. This is called fade in, fade out. And you can change the make your audio quality better by the audio effects. But most of the YouTubers, they're doing this kind of things in the Premiere Pro. They edit the video a little bit in the Camtasia, then they do it in the Adobe Premiere Pro. Next thing is the visual effect. This is not important. Then there's also two options in the bottom. This is not very important, so I'm not talking about that. So this is the things you can do. Then there is a menu bar on the top. File, edit menu. I've already discussed this sort of things. Modify, view, export. I've not talked about that. So when your video is finished the editing, you can export the video. In any other version of the Camtasia, it's called maybe instead of export, you can see share button here. So this is the same thing. Just click on the export. Then you can take the local file. You can save it in your computer, or there is some sort of option is here. You can upload to the YouTube directly or Google Drive. Or another thing you can do, or lots of YouTubers do, they edit some sort of some sort of editing here. For example, zoom in, zoom out, and after the screen recording, they do zoom in, zoom out, and some sort of little bit editing here. Then they save it to the local file, and they import the this video file again to the advanced level software Adobe Premiere Pro. Then they edit there also. For example, they edit the audio editing. They do audio editing, color correction, color grading, and some sort of things they do in the Adobe Premiere Pro. So you can edit the video completely in this software. For example, you can edit the 80% professional editing, you can do it here. And if you want to do the 90%, you can editing, professional editing, you have to save this file to the computer after editing here. Then you can edit in the Adobe Premiere Pro. And if you want to do the 100% professional editing, you can use also the Adobe After Effects. So normally the video editors, YouTubers, freelancer editors, they use few softwares like the Camtasia, Premiere Pro, After Effects. They use few of them to edit the video. So you can click the local file here, then you can save it to the computer, or you can directly upload to the YouTube. So this is the how to use this software. So next thing is the don't talk it how to get or download installing the software. Normally this is a paid software. This is a very expensive. If you go to the Camtasia website, this is the website is the TechSmith Camtasia. So this is about you can see the price is here. This is about 200 euro or dollar per year. This is very expensive software, but don't download from any sites from the Google. Don't upload anything illegally. Otherwise, you will download virus or you will destroy your computer. If you don't know how to download installing, ask any freelancer or ask whoever knows these sort of things. So this is the already end of the video. So if you now you know the basics of things of the Camtasia. If I will talk about the how to edit the mobile screen recording video in this Camtasia software in the later in any kind of video. So if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the more awesome content. Have any question, drop in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I'm Kausar Chaudhary Rimul. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.